We'll add our mantika, cooking oil, ito yung mga sako guys. Our ginger, ayan, sibuyas, kamatis, our bawang, suti muna natin guys, no? Medyo palabasin natin yung aroma niya. Yan. Then we'll add our chicken guys. Yan. It's about 5.5 kilos of chicken guys, fresh chicken. So gisa muna natin siya konti para malasang malasa guys, no? Ito na guys yung ating nagisa na 5.5 kilos of chicken. Yan, we'll add our chicken cubes. Yan. Then we'll add our magic sarap. Dagdag tayo ng salt guys, no? So medyo palambutin muna natin yung ating chicken or ang ating manok. Yan, isang kawang sinigang na manok guys, with matching hug and love. Hey hey hey. Kulong-kulo na yung ating sabaw guys, no? So medyo palambutin pa natin konti bago natin ilagay yung ating mga sahog. Yan. Itsura pa lang guys, napakasarap na sa ating sinigang or sinampalukan na manok. It's about 5.5 or 6 kilos to guys, no? So medyo marami to guys. Mayroon tayong outing today. Yan. So masarap to guys. Ang sabaw guys masarap. Hey. So ito guys, a little bit malambot na yung chicken natin. I-add natin yung ating sitaw at saka radish guys, no? Yan. Then we'll add our eggplant or talong. Guys, then our ceiling green. It's about 2, 4, 8 pieces of ceiling green. So guys, madali na tong maluto siya guys, no? Yung ating tinansya lang natin guys na maluto yung ating gulay at saka tama lang yung pagkaluto sa ating chicken. Hindi siya maduro guys. Yan guys, oh. Yan ang ating chicken. Yan guys, panghuli yung ating dahon guys, yung ating kangkong. Yan. Then yung ating lady finger, ang ating okra guys. Yan. Guys, amoy pa lang guys. Ang sarap na guys, oh. Isang kawang sinigang or sinampalukan na manok. Then, add na natin yung ating kangkong. Kangkong guys, oh.